I do look like a crazy person. I definitely look like a crazy person. This is my face. Like, look at this. Like, look at my face. Okay guys, this is day 1 of the CO2 laser surgery. I got it done probably around 3 p.m. It is now 9:09 p.m. When I went there, she numbed me up. She gave me some Dilaudid, which is like kind of for cancer patients or for people that are in like serious pain or have like serious medical illnesses. So that kind of freaked me out, just the fact that she gave me Dilaudid, and I was like, oh my freaking God, like this is clearly gonna hurt. So I got there, and you know, they set me up everything else, and they took pictures, and so I took more Dilaudid because I was more freaked out and I was totally drugged out. They also gave me like an anti-anxiety med, so I took that. And then I sat down on the bed with her, and she was sitting behind me, and she had the CO2 laser ready, but she also stuck like needles around my mouth because that's where it tends to hurt more when you get it done. I know you guys are probably like, oh my God, Bratty, what did you do to your face? But I heard it's worth it, so we will see on day 7, and I will show you guys. Okay, so she was doing it, and even though she numbed me up a lot, it hurt pretty bad. From a 1 to 10, I would probably say like a 7 or 8. I would say like my chin area and my forehead area and up here were probably the most sensitive, and around my jawline. The cheeks weren't that bad. It felt like someone was taking one of those like those blow torches that they use for like tools or whatever, but like a mini one, and it's just like dragging it across your face. So it did hurt. Afterwards, she kind of gave me like, you know, instructions and things like that. So I will show you what she provided me like for aftercare. So firstly, she gave me like gauze. She gave me gauze with like little applicators or whatever. And then she gave me, this is basically the same thing. So this is like a vinegar solution. These two are the exact same. So she put a whole bunch in this bottle. That's why some of this is missing right here. So she told me to, you know, sometimes like take the gauze and you kind of want to saturate it like this. You want to be kind of generous with it. And then you kind of just like leave it on your face like this. I know I look crazy right now, but you leave it on your face and you want to do it like everywhere. You want to keep your head elevated, especially the first few days, so that the swelling doesn't swell more. You kind of just like dab it like that, but it's good to like keep it on there. And then she said after a few hours after doing that I can then put on, she provided a whole bunch of stuff. This is the place I went to, Restoration Med Spa. It is a silver healing ointment. So she said start using that, make sure you use that every day, make sure that you wash your hands before you apply anything to your face. But she said, I think it was tomorrow, to start using this cleanser right here. It's like a very gentle cleanser. It is by Restoration Spa as well. So you just gently do that, and she said like 3 to 4 times a day you cleanse your face, and you know, you continue to use the vinegar solution with that, and then you know, you have to use the silver ointment or whatever. I'm so bad at listening, but she also said like after a while, you once you get more like you start healing more, you start to use this ultra light moisturizer by, again, Restoration Med Spa. And so I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like 6 hours after, so you can kind of see. It looks like scratches like really like going down your face. It's really terrifying at first, I'm not gonna lie. So when you get this done, don't freak out and think that you're gonna be ugly forever, okay? I do look like a crazy person. I definitely look like a crazy person. But hopefully after a few days it will start to subside and we will look a little bit better. Not gonna lie, my daddy is completely freaked out by my physical appearance right now, but he's taking care of me. And I'm a broadcaster on younow.com, and I obviously cannot go live looking like this, and to be honest, I'm in a lot of pain. They didn't really give me any pain meds afterwards. So I'm looking for the ibuprofen, but I have no idea where that is. I'm assuming that the ibuprofen is where I left it last when I decided that I was hungover. So anyway, I will catch you guys tomorrow on day 2. I love you guys so much. Hey guys, it's my second day of CO2 laser procedure, whatever, and when I woke up this morning, I looked like that freaking lady that was like botched, like the cat lady. Do you know who I'm talking about? But my cheeks were like out to here, like my face had swollen so bad that my lips were almost like living inside of my mouth. It was so cringe. And not only that, but like there was like yellow liquid like coming out of my pores. Like it was disgusting. But this is, it kind of calmed down a little bit. I finally was able to get some ibuprofen, and like I took it a couple hours ago. Hopefully that like made the swelling go down a little bit, although I still look really crazy. You can see what it looks like. I'm still doing like the wash with the cleanser that I showed you guys yesterday for day 1, and then I'm doing the acid, or not the acid, the what is that stuff called? The vinegar. I'm still doing the vinegar like soak and stuff like that. And then I put on like the silver ointment that I showed you guys yesterday. It's still like yellow stuff coming out. I don't even know what that's supposed to be. I don't know if my body is like trying to make sure I fight off infection or what, but I'm still taking the antiviral to make sure I don't break out with any fever blisters. And I'm also still taking the antibiotic that she gave me so that I don't get an infection, so it prevents it. Also, I don't know if this is that important, but I wanted you guys to know like what supplements I have been taking well before my laser procedure, and what supplements I've continued to take during, and which I will continue to take forever. But I do take one a day, women's vitamins. I'm still taking this. It's like collagen. I got it from Walmart. I don't remember how much it was. I'm taking the ibuprofen just because I want the swelling to go down, and to be honest, I was in a lot of pain when I woke up. It felt like somebody slapped me in the face with a hot skillet iron. And I'm also taking this right here, vitamin E. So that's for day 2. Like I said, just when you guys do this, if you ever do this, make sure that you do the vinegar soak every 4 hours, and make sure that you are like applying that ointment like your life freaking depends on it. So I will catch you guys tomorrow for day 3. Thanks. Okay guys, I didn't record yesterday. I was super busy, but this is what I look like today. To be honest with you, it really hasn't done anything. Like, all it's really done is just like make me break out, and it's just made me really red, and it's almost like my skin, it's almost like either A, my skin just didn't take to it, or B, the lady didn't know what she was doing. I think that I want to go to somebody else in the summertime and see if they do a better job. And to be honest with you, this lady didn't have like any before or after pictures. I mean, I also didn't ask, but there's none on the website. I should have. That was obviously my fault. I've been to this lady a million times, and I kept going back because of her bedside manner or whatever, but that shouldn't have been a reason for me to continue going back, especially if I wasn't happy with my lip injection results about 5,000 times, which I've gotten about 5 times from her already in the past like 6 months. You can just see it's like red. There's no difference like in my skin at all, just that it's made it worse. Like, it just made it more red, more irritated, broke me out more. So yeah, no, I'm not happy. thank you for watching. This is my 8th day of the CO2 laser procedure. I love you guys so much. Bye.